Today I am going to teach you how to easily add dark moody look for this picture using the Lightroom mobile app. So, let's start editing. First, go to Light. Bring the exposure plus 0.40. Contrast to plus 60. Highlights to plus 20. Bring the shadows negative 10. Whites to negative 100. Blacks to plus 40. Now go to curve. I have copied the previous curve settings. And done. Next go to color. Bring the vibrance negative 25. Saturation to negative 30. Now go to color grading. Go to shadows, bring the hue 220, and saturation to 10. Now go to highlights, bring the hue 210, and saturation to 5. Bring the blending 100. And done. Now go to color mix. Bring the saturation plus 16 and luminance to negative 10 for red. Now go to orange, bring the hue negative 10 and saturation to plus 10. Now go to yellow, bring the hue negative 100 and saturation to negative 100. Next go to green, bring the saturation negative 100. Now go to aqua, bring the hue plus 100 and saturation to negative 100. Now go to blue, bring the saturation negative 100. Bring the saturation negative 100 for purple and pink. And done. Now go to effects. Bring the texture plus 30. Bring the clarity plus 20. Days to plus 40. Finally go to details. Bring the noise reductions 20 and color noise reductions to 10. Look the final result. Goodbye guys, see you again in another video like this.